reason why you see say Emoney they do all these things on the low, now because say Emoney get one or two things when we say he they run with Junior Pope.
My country people, you see this life every day. One of your prayers should be make your mouth no put you for wahala. How can a grown-up person like this guy now come out, they open mouth while they defame another person? Some people don't lose their sanity because of online money, especially Facebook. Cause if not be engagement where this guy they find, he for no open mouth they talk waiting he no know. Seriously, how can you come out publicly they talk this kind thing with confidence? See another person they sleep with another person's wife. You don't catch them. You know them before. Why you go they open mouth they talk waiting you no know? Just because you want trend, you want engagement, you want millions views, you want people to engage in your post so that Facebook will pay you a lot of money. Now you don't land yourself for inside kiri. For inside kiri now, your page go dey dormant. Nobody go dey post. The money where you dey find, you no go see am. You go dey there. Who is at loss now? No be you. You people will not take it easy. Take it easy, they find this money. Legitimately, you cannot make it by defaming somebody. You cannot make it by talking down on people. Talk waiting you see. Talk waiting you know. This our army bodies thing, for you to be on a safer side, talk waiting person don't bring come out. Don't be waiting you just they assume or waiting you they. I don't understand. Why will you open mouth they defame another person, they call them content? Now you don't finally land yourself for inside kiri. Now for there you go continue the chook mouth for waiting you don't know. You all, this guy talk a lot of thing about e-money, but no be for my mouth to na go hear him, cause I just the report news where I see, so I no go talk him. I go play the video make una hear from the horse's mouth waiting he talk. I just want bring news say e-money don't arrest him for defamation of character. Make we hear waiting he talk. Make you self judge the matter.
If una remember this guy, e-money when come up the period when be e-money when come up the period when we say Junior Pope take by. You understand? This guy when they sing, e-money when we say he come up, he talk say he go take care of Junior Pope children, the 3 children. Say he go take care of them till those children grow. I believe so. Now remember that update when we say it trend. Now, because I know say even e-money had no clear for the OT. Now the reason why you see say e-money they do all these things on the low. Now because say e-money get one or two things when we say he they run with Junior Pope wife. Now the guy don't buy or you don't get full access to the woman. You don't get full access to the woman just because say the woman fine. Just because say the woman get yash, you don't feel poor her for ground. You dey follow another person wife. Now una don't do what una want do to make sure say una take the life of this young man. Now you don't free. They do what you do. But don't worry, he got time for everything. You see the way Junior Pope take by so. Most of now when we say una get hard for this thing, now the reason I'm saying now una be the God of Junior Pope. When Junior Pope they struggle, even till this guy go by now. This movie industry, he get the way take day for him. Every other person they progress, but this guy no they progress. No, they even they give this guy work. They don't they give him work. But don't be that one I want to talk for this video. I just want to let you know, e-money, you don't get anybody when go come this life. When we say last, you know go come out. You understand? Whether person buy you or you buy by yourself, you go most surely buy one day. That one I just sure. That one I just price when we say everybody go need to pay when the time don't reach.
My people, this one weak me, I no go lie. Even me when they listen to her, my ear can't they itch me. Talk more of the person where this guy they defame him character. This one don't pass defamation or this one na murder case. Cause now this kind thing they put person for depression. A person where you they defame him name. If the person no strong and come across such defamation, the person will be like, Jesus, waiting this person they talk now. Cause the thing will go viral and it will meet a lot of personality. And so many people go they begin they internet space now. And the worst thing for this guy be say from the reactions from people, a lot of people want make you stay there, make you stay for inside kiri till eternity. You can see from the people's reaction that almost everybody is talking the same thing. Make you stay there. Even Polo, Mr. Polo, Iyabojo's man, don't want Emoney say, make I know here say you forgive this guy. Oh, he must prove. Look at now, he must prove wetin he talk. So you see, defaming people no go bring you engagement. Talk wetin you know, where you go defend. Cause if this guy now no get evidence of everything wey he talk, now inside kiri for they go lock am throw away key. Wetin be this? Why you allow your mouth to put you inside trouble? Now engagement wey you dey find, you no see. Money wey you dey pursue, you no see. Now for inside kiri you dey now. People no dey take am lightly again. No, they talk say anybody wey defame person, you must prove wetin you talk. This one no be forgive me na village people. They know they agree for village thing again. No, make all of us shall be careful. Stop defaming people. Stop assassinating people's character. E no go favor you. Now you go lose last. Okay, my people, stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.